Today we are looking at the ASUS RP-AX58 AX3000 Wi-Fi 6 range extender. So I recently changed my ISP. I've left Virgin Media 1 gig and I've joined BT 1 gig. I also got the entry point for the fiber coming into my home changed, which I now know was a mistake because I'm not getting strong Wi-Fi upstairs in one of the bedrooms and in the back garden. The entry point for the Virgin Media fiber coming into my home was in the hallway, and I'm using ASUS Zen Wi-Fi Pro XT12 Wi-Fi 6 mesh system. Really happy with that. I have done a review on that. If you want to watch that, I will leave a link in the iCard and in the description box below. So I had the main router downstairs and then I had a node upstairs. It were working absolutely fine. OpenReach engineer did give me an option. He said, where do you want the ONT box? Because within reason, they will place it where you want it. But I just got it installed in the front room. With the Virgin fiber, I had a black cable wrapped around my wall. I was trying to avoid that with OpenReach. I did not want a long cable wrapped around the wall outside. So this RP, I will be using this as part of ASUS AiMesh system. This will be acting as a third node. So we'll have a quick look around the box and then I'll set you up and I'll do some speed tests. If you want to pick it up, link in the description box below. If you find the video helpful, a like would be appreciated. It does let us know that this is compatible with other routers as well, or routers. 3-year warranty with this. Just some information at the back, that the 160 megahertz channel, it's letting us know the advantages of that compared to the 80 megahertz. So get some paperwork. Quick setup guide. It's got the QR codes at the bottom there for the app. When we first set this up, you've got to be within 2 meters of your router or router. In the UK, we call it router, but my friends in the USA and other parts of the country, they call it router. So I've started saying router, but recently someone commented on my video saying that you're from the UK, why don't you call it router? So in this video, I might be referring it to router. It's the same thing anyway. That's it, nothing else. So looking at the front, we've got some branding there. That will light up, so it starts blinking. Once it's solid blue, then you could link it up. It's got really good airflow, this. It's got some information on this side. Some more airflow at the back. Mine is a 3-pin one because I'm in the UK. An information sticker here. Some more airflow. Reset pinhole there. WPS button if you want to link it up that way. So if you're linking it up to your own router, a non-ASUS one, you could just push the WPS button on that and then within 2 minutes push the WPS button on this and they should link up. At the bottom we have a gigabit Ethernet port. Okay, let's set this up. I already have the app installed. As I mentioned, I'm using the Zen Wi-Fi Pro, so I'm going to set this up as a node. AiMesh. Get started. Just looking for it now. I am in the same room as my router, so it's found it. Apply. Pairing your AiMesh node. I'll fast forward some of this part. Now I'm done. There we are. So looking in the app now, you could see it's added on. This is what it looks like when we look at it from a computer. Now I'm going to do some speed tests. I'll start off with before I connected the extender, and then I will do a speed test after I connected the extender. I'm using a Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra for all the tests. So this isn't bad. This phone is Wi-Fi 6E. If I had a Wi-Fi 5 phone, that will get less speed than this, and when there are more users, then it will slow down. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to move down the garden and do another speed test there. So I've just moved down the garden a bit. Let's see how it performs here. So that again isn't bad for one device, but as I said before, if there are a few of us, then it will start going down more than this. Okay, I'll go and connect the extender, which I will be using as a part of AiMesh. So I've connected the ASUS RP. Now let's do a speed test in my back garden. I'm standing in the same place I was before. Already that is a lot better than before. That is not bad. Okay, let's move down to the second spot. This is a lot better. I think he might have pushed me over to 2.4 gigahertz now. So as you can see from the results, we are really happy with this. It's made a big difference. I'm doing a voiceover now because we have been using this for around 2 weeks. And the most important thing is stability, because speed is one thing, because my old ISP, Virgin Media, they just concentrate on speed, but their network isn't that stable. But this, with my ASUS and BT network, the OpenReach network, it is stable. It's been rock solid. We are really happy with this. So if you want to add another node to your AiMesh system, I could recommend this. Or if you just want to buy a range extender, I could still recommend this. At the time of recording, I picked this up for £80 from Amazon. I'll leave a link in the description box below if you want to pick this up. I hope this video was useful to someone. If it was, leave a like and please subscribe to watch more reviews. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.